Avery, I'd love to talk to you about your mission.
It was so much fun. When I was 17, I went to Honduras with my church group and we built houses for underprivileged families. I mean, it was life-changing, but dengue fever will do that to you.
No. Your mission for your art business?
Oh, yeah, I don't have one of those.
As I've spoken about in previous videos, once you have a vision for your art business, you will need to create a mission. Now, your mission is essentially your art business's manifesto. It's the concrete layout of how you will fulfill your vision. It includes your core values and core focus, both of which come directly from your signature story. And your core values are values that are important to the way you live your life and/or approach the creation of your work and the offers you create. Each person will have a different set of core values based on your signature story theme. Your core focus will outline the purpose of your company and will support and represent your vision. And the mission of any company helps that company create a pathway to begin fulfilling the vision of the company step by step. There is no question that a company with a clear mission is a company that's destined to do great things and stay in business long enough to see those things through. The reason for this is because with a clear pathway laid out, everyone, the owner, any employees, freelancers, and anyone who contributes to growing the company can get onto the same page and work to fulfill that mission seamlessly. So let's take a look at Warby Parker, the retailer of prescription glasses, contact lenses, and sunglasses. The company was born when the founders realized that glasses were too expensive and wanted to solve that problem, while doing so in a way that helped people worldwide. Warby Parker's vision statement is as follows. We believe that buying glasses should be easy and fun. It should leave you happy and good looking with money in your pocket. We also believe that everyone has the right to see. This vision statement is the grandiose dream you have if you had zero limitations on what you could do. For Warby Parker, this meant ultimately providing glasses to everyone in the world affordably in a positive and philanthropic way. So their mission statement then goes on to demonstrate exactly how they're going to fulfill that vision. The mission statement is to offer designer eyewear at a revolutionary price while leading the way for socially conscious businesses. The statement outlines how the company would create a world of fairly priced, quality reading materials with a heavy focus on customer satisfaction and improving people's lives. According to their website, 2.5 billion people around the world need glasses but don't have access to them. Of these, 624 million cannot effectively learn or work due to the severity of their visual impairment. To help address this problem, Warby Parker began working with a handful of partners worldwide to ensure that for every pair of glasses sold, a pair is distributed to someone in need. To date, over 8 million pairs of glasses have been distributed through their Buy a Pair, Give a Pair program. That is a heck of an accomplishment, and an accomplishment only made possible by the crafting of a fantastic vision and mission statement. Here's another example from an artist I worked with called Susan. She has a company called Spiritual Expansion. Susan's signature story is to help men and women have continuous spiritual support by selling original paintings and online spiritual workshops. Her vision is to help women and men worldwide simplify their spiritual practices through her paintings and courses so they can expand into the life they know they're meant to live. Her top 3 core values are empathy, serenity, and awareness. Her core focus is, I simplify for you to expand. From here, Susan created the mission statement for her company. The mission statement should be one sentence that describes your core values, which represent your signature story, and your core focus, which represent your vision. In Susan's case, her mission statement is, spiritual expansion helps simplify your spiritual life so you can expand. Your mission includes your core values, core focus, both of which come directly from your signature story. they will also inform your vision. Gino Wickman, author of the book Traction, explains in detail the importance of any business to choose their core values and core focus so they always know where they're coming from. And so their signature story has a foundation upon which to springboard from as the business grows. Identifying and crafting all of these for your business is at the heart of what we do at the Artist Marketing Masterclass. Our link is in the description. In this class, we take you step by step through creating your artistic business mission. You must first explore your personal core values, then fine-tune your core focus, and finally create the vision and mission statement that best suits your unique company. So there you have it. If what I'm saying resonates with you and you're interested in learning more about your artistic vision, mission, core values, and core focus, then click the link in the description, and I cannot wait to see you there.